We got the 929 here. I obviously got to put all the plastics back on it and the front end. For now, we just have this makeshift headlight. Twist that up so it looks right. But this is just going to be a little pre-shakedown test ride. We're just going to see how it holds going up and down the street. And then we're going to take it to RK Motorsports. Have him and his team look over it, touch it up, do what they got to do. Alright, so the few issues when I was putting it into gear, like first gear, right, from neutral, it would start going forward by itself automatically, which the reason that was because the clutch had to be adjusted all the way out. I mean, it's literally to the point where this bolt is like halfway off of the thread almost, you know what I mean? And it's just to the point where it's grabbing the clutch where I pull it in now, so I could finally put it into gear without the bike moving forward by itself. So I kind of fixed that, but while trying to fix that, I realized this thing right here, see the thread? It's broken and snapped towards the edge, so I need to get a new one of those. So I looked it up, it's only like 30 bucks. And the other issue, as I said, this turns on right here, and you could hear the fuel pump. So the bike turns on, but there's no lights to the dash. I think one of these wires here got messed up while I was working on it. Gonna have to get that figured out as well. The headlight does work when I put it in high beam. Easier for them to get to whatever they got to get to when they're double checking my work or working on it if they have to do more work. But here's a little startup. And we're not going to be going fast or anything. We're just going to be going up and down the street, just making sure that it does everything a motorcycle does. Shifts, gets into gear, gets into neutral. Let's hope, on a serious note, that we don't die. Another little issue is when I turn it now, I don't know if that's like the full turning radius. I think it needs definitely a bit more up there. So I also want to get a new perch here, new brake perch, and new lever. And this thing would be better if it's up higher, because that's getting pinched a little bit there. In fact, that's getting pinched quite a lot. Hopefully it has enough pressure and all that to get the brake fluid. We are back to stock wheelbase. One down, two up of the sprockets, so we're gonna be going very carefully and slowly here. Like, test ride and rebuild aside, just it being back to that wheelbase and gearing is already scary within itself. Here we go. Heart is fucking beating fast. It's been a long time since I've been on this bike. Alright, we are in gear. We are moving. And I can't find the foot brake at all. There it is. Oh, the rear caliper is seized or something. My foot brake is not working. So that's something they're going to have to look at. Front brake works, but barely, because the clutch lever is all weird and rigged. So it's also gonna have to get figured out. This is still pretty aggressive, man. I thought this was gonna be a lot higher up. This feels aggressive as shit. New tires here. Be very careful. Oh my god. No, I promised I wouldn't go fast. It is so smooth. Oh my god. That power is barely going like wah 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 wah. Holy sh! I forgot how nuts this bike is, dude. Oh my god. This is probably why my instrument cluster doesn't work. have been like 100. Oh my god. God, the throttle is just straight up on and off. There is no like smoothness. It's either dead or it's just there. Watch. Oh my god, and I'm moving it like a millimeter. Oh my god, let's see. That's like a quarter or a fifth throttle. This thing is ungodly fast. I mean, seriously, dude. This thing is some fucking serious shit. Crazy as hell. Oh, you know what? That turning radius is doable. Definitely doable. Oh, why'd it die like that? That was weird, right? All I did was like I shifted down a couple times and pulled in the clutch and ended up dying. Maybe that's just because like the clutch being loose and all that. Maybe I should be really careful here. Dude, that is so fucking fast. Like, I'm not talking about being in the top end like I was, but like the torque. Oh, the wheels just spun. I just felt the wheels spin, dude. Uh-oh. Slow down here. Whoa. Ready? That is ridiculous. I gotta hurry up and get to work. I'm having too much fun and this thing really needs to get double checked before I hurt myself. She's a ripper, boys. She's a ripper.